boss think that I took 1 week to make this entire Excel dashboard, but she don't know that I made this entire Excel dashboard in just 10 minutes. Yes, I made this entire dashboard in just 10 minutes. Just like my boss, you also might think that how someone with just 6 months of experience can make dashboard like this. Then you should really check out this AI powered Excel workshop by Office Master, where mentors like Adit Goenka and Sharad Anand have shared their insight on how we can integrate AI in our day-to-day Excel work. Till now, they have trained more than 40,000 working professionals and make them irreplaceable in the job market. And the best part is the workshop is just for rupees 99, and you will also get bonuses worth rupees 10,500 rupees. So what are you waiting for? Click on the link below, sign up for the workshop and save 3 hours of your working time every day.